Hi.
We're in the 3D Experience World Playground 2026.
There it is. We're in amongst everything. Let's go visit some booths.
Let's go.
So we're going to go check out the makerspace and show you guys what you can actually do there.
It's a busy, large space this year.
Let's go have a look.
Let's go.
First off, we got Jade over here. Jade is working with ceramics and clays, making some cool pots and that stuff. So if you want to check it out, Designed by Jade tutorials on the YouTube channel. Love your stuff. Here's some more of Jade's ceramics and cool stuff that she makes.
Do the puzzle cube.
I took it apart. I'm not gonna. Then we got the lovely Dames of Design area over here. All awesome stuff designed by some of the wonderful women in the community. So if you want to come check out kind of stuff that they work on, it's really good. It's good. It's celebrating all the wonderful, talented women in this community. And we got Wally here.
Say it properly. Wally.
Wally. Got a guest of honor, little Wally here. Absolutely beautiful. This is done by
the Wally Builder Club.
David and his team. We spoke to David a few years ago about with his Rex droid.
Rex, yeah, we did.
So this is
another incredible.
This is one of his other
thing. Very talented guy.
Yes. And then here is the make area where you can customize your badge, as we're talking about. So, like, Johnny, the biggest problem, I wouldn't say the biggest problem, but a challenge that we have here at 3D Experience World, we all get these cool backpacks.
We do.
Because everybody gets the exact same backpack. So here, you've got the opportunity to customize your backpacks.
Yeah, there's some really cool stuff this year.
Yeah, there is.
Christian's got his leather punching.
Yeah. Metal press, which is kind of cool. This is where you can rivet your
They're good, them. I don't know who made them. Well, it was good till Kirby broke it on the floor. That make you jump.
That's such a fun. Over here we've got some leather work that you can. I need to get myself one of these Texas leather straps.
Texas.
So I need to come and.
Let's definitely punch that one.
Make one of these.
We do.
And then over here we got some silicone molding and resin casting. By the wonderful Karen.
Where is the Karen?
There we go. So here you can just cast some nice coins.
Again, little tags for your bag.
Yeah.
Make it unique to you.
We miss you, Luke. Wish you were here. But Karen's doing a fine job.
She is.
We've got some nice Bamboo Lab printers as well.
Yes.
Making their way here. And there's Fab in a box.
Fab in a box.
So this is a device that basically comes in a box and comes with everything you need. You've got your laser cutter, you've got a printer, and everything that you can use to make stuff. All in a little box. Ooh. Let's go check out this community wall.
Yes, the Tetris project. This may be my favorite thing this year. Even over my own thing.
So this is the amazing
Tetris wall.
Tetris wall. The brainchild of Todd Blacksher. Every single one of these Tetris pieces is made by someone in the community that represents either what they do, their
what they're about,
what they're about,
hobbies, passions.
Yes.
Where they're from,
the city that they're from, and it's an incredible way of people expressing themselves.
That's MGF. Apparently it actually turns, yeah.
So maybe that one isn't the most expensive.
It might be borderline, similar volumes. Well, I like this one.
That's our favorite.
Isn't it? We did good. I love that the Brits are in the bottom corner. Northampton.
Yeah, that's the user group leader.
Yeah. Oh, he's not in the UK group. We're going to have to shuffle the whole thing. What else we got this year?
So, probably one of the newest SolidWorks champion.
The newer SolidWorks champion. The newest? No.
It was accepted like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, so yeah.
He made this awesome Tron. Do you mind if I fiddle with it?
Wait.
Have you swung it around?
I have. I swung it yesterday. He's incredibly talented, is Matt Long.
His first SolidWorks model.
Yeah. Thoroughly deserved the champion badge after that.
Yeah.
So check out Mad Scientist Workshop.
Mad Scientist Workshop.
And we've all met Rex before.
No, that's Tex.
That's Tex, but he's a Rex. Tex Rex. Tex Rex Mex.
Yeah. And we've got the Bowhead people as well.
Bowhead with their new small foldable wheelchair.
Yeah, this is incredible. This is
that bad boy.
It's designed for people in wheelchairs to actually have better accessibility on planes. He's a smart man, this guy.
He's a very smart man. Backed up by a great team.
Doing incredible stuff. Let's have a look at some of Hacksmith's cool stuff. So that's their little mini saver. Do they work?
There's no fuel in there right now.
Oh, okay.
For people touching it in safety.
This is their latest Smith blades.
How did Kirby cut his finger off?
So?
Nothing. I'm just watching you. Yeah.
Have you been given a tour of this? So you got all different like tool bits that you can put in there and screw. You got a ruler, metric, and imperial. The end of the blade is a file.
Little spirit level.
Yeah, it's got a little spirit level in it. There's tweezers. That's a bottle opener.
That's a favourite feature.
Every single increment here is exactly 15 degrees, so it's a protractor.
Okay, brilliant. We like it.
It's incredible. So this is being done with the Kickstarter at the moment.
Beautiful.
So that's the Maker Zone.
It was great.
It's an incredible place, and it's getting bigger. It's getting busier.
Bigger and busier.
And a great place to learn what people are making, the cool stuff people are making using SolidWorks.
I think it might be my favourite year of the activity area and everything else that's going on.
Yes.
The fact that you can have a go at designing while you're here.
Yeah.
And then actually print it, make it, and assemble it onto your badge. Fantastic idea.
It's amazing. If you come next year, check it out. I'm sure we'll be working on something really cool next year. We're here with Valentina at the Puppy Parklet. Tell us about what you guys are doing here in this Puppy Parklet. I would never expect puppies and CAD to be in the same place.
I know, yes. So we got very lucky to be sponsored by DraftSite. We were very thankful to be here, and today we're here with some adoptable puppies. So they're looking for their loving homes and getting a lot of socialization with everybody here. Very exciting.
I've seen some people using them at the booths for their booth selfies, which is amazing. Yeah. And it's such a great place to
promote everything.
It's such a great place to just come and de-stress.
Yes, exactly. Good place in between sessions to just take a moment,
chill,
regroup, go on to the next thing. Yeah.
Nice.
100%. No, it's a fantastic idea, and something we were discussing. It's great that we this conference goes to different cities every year, and it's great that they're supporting the local charities as well.
Yes. Which is amazing. Yeah.
Are we the same puppies every day, or are we rotating?
As of now, same puppies every day. If everybody happens to find a home, we will rotate some other puppies through. But otherwise, you'll see the same puppies for a few days.
It's really great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Valentina.
Absolutely.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
And I hope all these dogs find a lovely home.
Thank you, hopefully.
Thank you so much.
They're very cute.
Cool. So we're here with Tom from DraftSite. Tell us about DraftSite. What is DraftSite?
Well, what people are forgetting is that, with a big focus on 3D, is that all of our manufacturing companies that are using SolidWorks today still have large teams inside of the company. In fact, we frequently find it's 4 to 1 that are still doing 2D, and that's all they need to do. So DraftSite is a 2D DWG-based CAD system. So if they've been using, other DWG systems, they can immediately start using DraftSite. We even mold the interface and the command structure to be the same.
So I use DraftSite. Okay. And we changed from one of the competitor products to DraftSite because it tied in better with our SolidWorks package. And I find it's incredible value.
Yeah, we find that, 1-to-1, we're obviously less expensive, but we still also offer shareable network licensing.
Yep.
So, and that makes a huge difference because a lot of our customers have people that will need to pull up a drawing once a month or something. And with other companies, they're having to have a dedicated license. So it gets very, very expensive.
Oh, it's a great idea. And that's, like I say, that's what we do. We have 6 network licenses that, 30 people tap into as and when they need it. So no, it's a great piece of software. But I think we've obviously been in the puppy pen.
Yeah.
What was the idea behind that one?
Oh, it's just a chance to get people to pay attention, and we are having our 15th year. So
congratulations!
Thank you. We're really excited. It's a big year for us. Every year we're growing and we're expanding. We're a global product with a global company. So we just wanted to do something special, something a little memorable, and we thought having people get to play with puppies was a good idea.
It's really the amount of people looked at the agendas and saying, "Is there really a puppy?" Yeah. People thought it would be like little robot dogs or that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Everybody's just taking pictures.
Yeah, it's a really cool idea, and hopefully next year there's something similar.
Yeah, well, hopefully people will go visit Nicole over in the puppy parklet and have a good time and get a chance to unwind a little bit.
Yeah, it's also a really great way to support a local charity.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So,
We're hoping that some of the people, because of course SolidWorks has such a large footprint, and draft site's expanding. Hopefully, some of the local companies some of the local folks will maybe even take a dog home with them.
Yeah, we were saying that like if we lived here, we probably would be taking one with us. But thanks so much, Tom.
Yeah,
you're very welcome. Pleasure to meet
Thank you for chatting with us.
Yeah,
thank you so much for stopping by.
Yeah,
congratulations on the 15 years. And,
thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
Take care.
So we're here with Tyler Satari, wonderful creator of these insane Dr. Octopus arms. So tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into engineering.
Yeah, 100%. So I guess I kind of started as a content creator. I've been content creating for the last 6 years. So I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you make content. And basically, I just really like creating things. I'm always kind of like challenging myself, and so that's kind of how it started. Just a bunch of different types of challenges, all the way from like creating things to fitness challenges. And a number of years ago, I did 22 hours in the Stairmaster, and then anyway switched over into making things. And there's all sorts of kind of fun projects I've been able to make in the last few years. And recently, I've been becoming really obsessed with like mechanical things, and so this is a project I've been wanting to take on for a long time. This was originally going to be my Halloween costume, but I realized that it was a difficult problem to solve, making these arms, because they're so long. It takes so much force just to be able to like move them around. Yeah. So the problem with that is, they you give it more force, it needs to be stronger to take the force, and then as it's stronger, it's heavier, and so because it's heavier, now you need more force in order to pull it. So I was able to make it work, but it was quite the project.
What would you say is the hardest challenge that you had with these?
A lot of manufacturing challenges, I'd say, because every new piece that I have to like figure. Like if I messed up and I needed to redesign something to make it stronger, it requires a completely different thing. Originally it was going to be made out of plastic, and then when I realized it needed to be made out of steel, now it's like it's a different manufacturing approach to that. Not to mention all the wires are complicated, and then you need to remodel things. So I have like the claws are modeled in SolidWorks. I have these pieces on the arms, they kind of like snap in around it to make it like modular, to hold those kind of decorative pieces on the outside. And then with each iteration, you need to kind of do everything.
Yeah. I mean, I watched videos and kind of the processes and the steps that you had to go through. Like, if you've seen like how you managed to bend these O-rings.
Incredible.
Man.
So I guess for me, it's obviously such an amazing project, and you've employed so many different techniques. You talked about you wanted it plastic, and now it's coming in metal. What kind of area would be your favorite part if you had to pick one piece?
I really like software, to be honest. I like the modeling part, and I also like I would love to take this further with like kinematics and actually get it to kind of move on its own to a point in space.
Okay, cool.
Getting it more functional, I think, kind of excites me to like solve those like bigger problems. I like the more high level strategy and problem solving as opposed to just assembling parts.
Cool. So are you local, or are you like, how did you get this thing here?
I had to take it on the plane. I'm from Canada.
Okay, so TSA nightmare.
TSA, it wasn't too bad. I originally shipped it out about a week ago, and it got rejected at the border. Then they sent it back, and so I was like, hopefully I can get it on the plane.
I cannot imagine why they had an issue with some of these parts.
I can't either, I know. Everyone ships their Dr. Octopus.
It looks so innocent.
I know.
And I was watching your stuff. You've invented a chocolate.
I have. Do you want to try?
Actually, that will be amazing.
I've got it right here. This is a chocolate bar.
Okay.
The goal is that it looks and tastes like a normal chocolate bar, possibly better than any other chocolate you might have tried, but it has 18 grams of protein.
Interesting.
It's not a protein bar.
So it's a healthy-ish chocolate.
It's the healthiest chocolate that you could get on the market.
Okay.
If you want to do the honors. I'd be very curious. Honest reaction. If you hate it, let me know.
Well, I'm not a big fan of American chocolate.
Okay. This is made in Switzerland.
Oh, it's
So, yeah,
Swiss.
that's-
Oh, nice.
That's all right. That's all right. We're going to get a new draw for you in just a moment.
Thank you, Kirby.
I need somebody.
Hey, I'm
pretty damn good.
I'm saying that's good. If I can get protein in as well as like a chocolatey taste,
That's actually
that's
wild.
good.
Incredible. Thank
Break
you.
a piece off for my wife.
Awesome.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's switch the screens.
That's right. Well, you can keep it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Nice. We just got lunch.
Yeah.
So obviously with SolidWorks, you can simulate a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Were you in the general session this morning?
I was.
And,
Yeah.
they were talking about how things were virtually tested over and over again versus in real world. Do you think if you use simulation to help you out with this, that would have streamlined that process of actually building it?
Yeah, simulation is like the next thing that I'm looking into right now. So it's been a journey to like learn all of this stuff kind of as quickly as I've been trying to do it. But like simulation, without a doubt, is going to be the future of everything. Like, you know, the fact that they've been able to simulate things, like to get simulated environments this accurate, I'm absolutely going to leverage that for like projects going forward. So I think it's just about learning all of the different ways to use simulation at this point.
And you're at the right place to find people that can help you out with that as well.
Yeah, 100%.
So, thank you very much for chatting with us.
Of course.
He's incredible. I'll put all your links and everything wherever on the screen it's going to be. I'll figure that out later. That's a future job.
Okay, I
But thank you so much for that chocolate.
Yeah,
it's incredible.
It was lovely.
Awesome.
It was really nice.
Thank you.
And good luck
it
with the
tastes
rest.
like Swiss chocolate.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
Amazing. Thank you. That's the
You're a
goal.
connoisseur, clearly.
And good luck with the rest of this project. I look forward to seeing more of it online.
Awesome. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Tyler.
Appreciate it.
Good to meet you. Thank you.
You too.
So we're here with Will from DriveWorks. Do you want to tell us a little bit about what you do at DriveWorks?
Yeah, of course, yeah. So at DriveWorks we make software. So we make software for SolidWorks automation. We make it for CPQ and sales configurators as well. So we've been doing this for 25 years now.
Nice. So, been sort of busy so far?
Yeah, it's been busy. I think a few people are at sessions today at the moment. So when they're done on the sessions, they'll come back over to the booth and we should get some more traction.
Great.
Are you guys embracing AI?
So we're looking into AI. So we have a group within our business that is strong technically and will focus on research. So we're always going to be looking into new technologies like AI. There's nothing currently available in the product that you would call AI itself. But we're not against looking into things like large language models, maybe some engineering focused models. But we want to do it in a structured approach. We want to make sure it's right for our customers. So we're actually interested to hear what people actually want from DriveWorks and AI more than anything else. We want to make sure it's appropriate.
That's good. That's a good sort of like feedback loop, and then you're developing the right thing for the market.
Exactly. Yeah.
But you're celebrating a birthday this year.
Yeah, 25 years. I think it was a few days ago now.
It was
yesterday.
Yesterday.
There you go. Yeah.
Which perfect. Is that why they moved 3D Experience World 2 weeks earlier, just for you guys?
Yeah.
You guys, yeah.
So yeah.
Special request.
Yeah.
So no, it's nice to see you celebrating such a nice anniversary, and
Is,
they've even got their own little ribbons this year.
We have, yeah. And we're giving out the pin badges to people that are friends of DriveWorks, I would say. So yeah.
Friends of DriveWorks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We'll have to see if we can find you one.
No,
So how can people access DriveWorks? What do they need to use DriveWorks?
So it depends what you want to do. It depends whether you're doing the sales configurator stuff, whether you're doing the design automation stuff, as to what your starting point is.
Yeah.
So obviously if you want to do design automation, you need a license to SolidWorks, and then you can go from a few different places. So we actually have 3 tiers of products with DriveWorks. So we've got DriveWorks Express. So everyone that has desktop SolidWorks also already owns DriveWorks Express.
Yep.
Is that including SolidWorks Connected?
No, not currently.
Right.
It's mainly desktop SolidWorks.
Okay.
But you can access that for free. You can log into your sort of 3D Experience password, log into there and claim your Express license code as you would with any other Express product. And that's kind of like entry-level design automation for SolidWorks. So you can produce new variations of parts and assemblies, and you can do a very small amount of things with drawings as well. But a lot of our customers start actually with our middle tier of product, which is DriveWorks Solo. So DriveWorks Solo is more capable in terms of design automation, lets you do a lot more with your drawing automation too. And you can claim a 30-day free trial of DriveWorks Solo as well.
Okay.
So anyone can do that. have a go. There's no commitment whatsoever. We even offer a meeting with our team as well to check how you're getting on during the 30-day trial period.
That was something I was going to mention, is there like learning curve training and all that sort of stuff. You obviously have options for that as well.
Yeah, well, we actually have our own learning portal as well. So we've got lots of training courses for very broad topics, for very specific topics as well, to help people get started as fast as possible.
Nice.
It's always been something that we've tried to do with DriveWorks, is make it really easy to use. The main thing that you need to know about DriveWorks is that you don't need programming skills to get started with DriveWorks.
Right, yeah.
So I'm not a programmer or a developer myself. Most of the user base of DriveWorks is also not that. Whereas typically, if you need to interact with the API, you need some pretty heavy development skills to be able to do that, which most people don't have. So the sort of time to get to automation with DriveWorks is very quick compared to other solutions.
Excellent.
Well, great.
Thank you so much for
taking
the time.
Yeah, thank you. Good to see you guys.
Your name again was?
Hey, I'm Zachary Davis. I'm the Senior Director of Marketing for Dusty Robotics.
Excellent. And tell us about your Dusty robot.
So Dusty is taking anything in a digital design file, CAD file model of any kind, and printing it directly on the ground with ink, on concrete, on plywood, on MDF. And so you're going to just take anything in your digital file and select the elements you want and hit print. And those are going to be on the ground with 1.5 millimeter or 1/16 of an inch accuracy right in front of you for installing equipment, for manufacturing, for anything you might need. I'm just making sure I'm out of the way of the robot as we do this.
That was very skillfully done, I must say. You literally danced around it.
The nice thing is I can see exactly where it's printing. And because I can see where it's printing and what it's doing, it's really easy to know both what gets installed, in this case for me to get out of the way of what I'm doing.
It's absolutely wild. This would have been helpful. We're the company I work for, 3D Print UK. We're basically mapping out and planning our new facility. And we had duct tape on the floor.
Exactly.
And cardboard boxes.
That's been my solution.
To measure the size.
Duct tape's my solution for years.
How do I get out of the world where I'm laying things down by hand, with tape, with chalk, with pen, and everything's going right there? I'm obviously on Ramboard right now just because I'm doing this over and over again today. But what's the name of your company? 3D Print UK.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put 3D Print UK right there. It's going to show up right here in the file. And I'm going to hit start. And it's going to go around right there in the middle. And it's going to print exactly that on the ground.
So
yeah.
What is it using to print?
It's using ink. It has an actual ink cartridge on the left and right hand side of its face, and that's letting it get all the way up to any obstacle, about 1.5 inches, about 5 centimeters from any obstacle on the job, so that I can really easily see what needs to get installed and where.
It's fantastic. Really good idea. In terms of ink, I guess it's not just regular printer ink, or is it?
It's very similar to regular printer ink. I can show you the ink cartridges, but we obviously custom formulate it for what needs to go on a job site. We have a water-based ink that you can scrub off concrete, and a solvent-based ink that's pretty much there for
So you got different options depending on what you're printing onto.
Exactly.
Brilliant.
Amazing. Well, thank you very much for taking the time chatting to us. This is incredible. I love the idea of this. So that was 3D Experience World 2026, The Playground. If you really enjoyed that, please let us know down below, and we look forward to showing off the playground at 3D Experience World 2027 in Nashville in February. We'll see you guys then.
SolidWorks is rocks. SolidWorks they do is the best.
Again?
Do it again.
So yes, do it again.
Do it again then.
Thumbs up for do it again? Okay.